And we can pause it too. Cool, we're kind of live because YouTube's new standards, I got to have 1,000 subscribers in order to do mobile live streaming, which I was going to do. But, good evening, Team Beast, and thank you for joining us here on Beast Capacity Outdoors. I'm your leader, Team Beast, Daddy Beast, and this is an not boxing, but a bagging. I have Black Rose with me over here. Oh, there she is.
And Buddy.
Just Buddy just took off. He said, nope, later. He's not ready for his close-up, Mr. DeVille. So, we tried this a little earlier and things went wrong. Now we're okay. So it's open. We just haven't pulled everything out. Got a package from jerky.com in Oklahoma City in the Midtown Burg on Hudson Avenue. And as you guys all know, I like making smoked, dried, cured meats and stuff like that. So, like fish candy or salmon candy and dried jerky sticks and dried whole muscle jerky. And I like finding little mom and pop family owned places that have stuff too. Well, this place, they have 3 locations in Oklahoma City, but it's still a kind of just like, it looks like a friends kind of ran thing. It's always the same 2 guys that I've seen on the videos. But I happen to have their place on Facebook and clicked on one that said, hey, buy one, get one free. And I was like, why not? And I've hem and hawed over this for a couple months. Finally did it. So it was for, I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. It's for their, oh, look at that. I got a credit card in here. Oh, no, it's a jerky.com $5 gift card. Expires in 45 days, so I'll have to use it again. $5 off on their website, I guess. This is for original beef. It was a special, just buy one, get one free, just pay for the shipping, so I did. And so we'll try this. What's up? Oh, no worries. It's all good. You can go by. You ain't messing nothing up. So, for those of you that were on their website, you can go to facebook.com/jerky or twitter.com/jerky and go to their thing. For those of you wondering, they do have gluten-free stuff, and they have more than just jerky. They have pretzels, they have licorice, they have sunflower seeds, and then exotic meat jerkies as well as regular. And I think they have like beef, and they have chicken, they have pork or bacon jerky. They have exotic meats. I think they have like, I know they got alligator, because they've been promoting that. They have, I think, antelope and elk, buffalo. So, go to their site and try jerky.com. This one, because like my mom, she can't have gluten. Mom and T can't have gluten. This one has wheat and soy. Soy contains wheat. Now, tamari, which is a wheat-free soy, for those you didn't know, but this contains wheat, so my mom and T could not have this. But nutrition-wise, not bad for this 2.5 ounce bag. You got total 2% fat through the whole thing. Sodium's only 17%, 410 milligrams. They got lower sodium stuff too. 1 carbohydrate, 1 gram sugar, 12 grams of protein. So that's pretty good stuff. I mean, it's normal jerky for the most part. That way, in nutrition-wise. But nice packaging. I like it. It's got a Best By date on here. Tells you where it's made and packaged. It's got their phone number on it. It's got the regulation USDA stamp on it, so you know they're legit. They get checked by the USDA all the time. I know this because I used to be a production manager for a jerky manufacturing company for many years ago, like 20 years ago, and we had a USDA office in the actual factory that they had their own desk, their own phone, their own office, and they came in like almost every day and checked on us. I mean, almost every day. I was very good and always kept up things and kept a good relationship with our USDA inspector, and they ended up coming by only once a week after a while. Check this out here. Oh, that smells good. What do you think? It's original. So sometimes original is a peppered beef, or just a salt and pepper or salt, and that kind of thing. It's almost got almost a teriyaki kind of smell to it. Nice. Looks like it's probably just under 1/4 inch thick slice when they initially cut it. It's soft and kind of sticky a bit. You'll like it. Black Rose likes tender jerky. Oh, that tears pretty easy. It's not hard. Nice and cross cut. It's got nice grain. Let her try it. Oh, a little bit of pepper.
Yeah, a little.
Not much.
Good.
You still get it. You know what the sweet smell is? I think probably in their mix. They probably got sugar in here, and the soy. So the soy and sugar probably gives that teriyaki kind of smell.
Yeah, sugar.
I have sugar. Yeah. So
Oh, it's pineapple juice.
oh, I had pineapple juice in it.
Yep.
So what did you think of it?
Yeah, it's good. I like it.
And it's not all that salty either. Now, the jerky I make is tougher than this. That's just because I dry the hell out of it. But, okay. So the soy and the pineapple, excuse me. This would be the soy and the pineapple juice that gives it that teriyaki kind of smell to it. Not a taste, but a smell. And like I said, it tears nice.
Teriyaki flavoring too.
Oh, you do taste. Okay, so she does
I
taste.
think so. Yeah.
She tastes Black Rose tastes a little bit of a teriyaki taste to it. So
But you're right. It's probably the soy and the
the soy and the pineapple, because teriyaki is basically brown sugar and soy when it comes down to it.
Or honey and soy.
Or honey and soy. But that's not bad. Not bad at all. So, we have a tentative plan. Well, that's good. We have a tentative plan right now for my birthday, because 2020 was just screwed up, to go back east tomorrow to Arkansas, where my mom lives. They moved out there last year. Along the route, right off of the 40 in Oklahoma City, are these guys' brick and mortar shop. Literally brick and mortar shop. They have like a garage door and a regular door, almost like it was an old automotive shop, or even an old firehouse. From the looks of it on map on the Google Maps. But like I said, jerky.com. They're in the Midtown Burg of Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, on Hudson Avenue. Not hard to get to. I've already mapped it out. From here in California to there, it's like 21 hours. So, but yeah, so for my birthday, we're going to go back east, visit my mom in April. It's going to be this quick, like week and a half turnaround kind of thing we're doing. But along the way, we're making a stop, or a couple stops, but one of the stops planned is to take you guys to go check out jerky.com, because it's right along the route that we're taking to go to my mom's. So, that's all for this one. I'll catch you guys later because it's just about dinner time. They're doing the Texas toast and we're having lasagna tonight. So go to jerky.com. They got a lot of specials on there, a lot of starter packs. Oh, they got jerky sticks, or the beef sticks, like Slim Jim stuff. They got that there. Flavored sunflower seeds, pretzels, vintage licorice, in like 15 different flavors, I think. Exotic meats, regular meats, and I think like 2 or 3 different styles, packaging, because they got the gluten-free line and a lower sodium versions of things. And they've got hot, and they've got sweet and hot, and they got teriyaki and peppered and sweet and spicy. They got a lot of stuff. So you got to go to their website and check it out, jerky.com. They're also on Facebook. So go check them out, guys. And it's going to be a little bit before we do the trip because it's going to be in April. But we'll take you guys along that trip. It's not going to be all that super interesting for the drive because it's not the long, drawn-out Route 66 plan that we had. We're going to have to do that at a later date because there's more of us that we're going to be going. And unfortunately, we know things just aren't going to pan out to where we can do that. Because we do have our first scheduled event for 2021 now. So we'll talk about that later. But I'm going to let you guys go. We're going to enjoy this jerky later because this is tasty. Like I said, pineapple and soy and a little bit of pepper in there. And it's sweet, not too salty, not too peppery. Nice, mellow, beefy, original flavor. Smells teriyaki-ish. Soft to peel apart. Guaranteed, for those that don't like a lot of fancy crap in their meat and their foods and stuff, they just want simple and clean, and this is it. This is the one to get. Original. So, as always, guys, like, comment, subscribe down below. Turn that red box gray if you haven't. Please share this. Please hit the like button. We're at like 64 or 65 followers at the moment. If you want to have live feeds from our phone while we're on the trip next year in April, spread this around. Spread the channel around. Get our channel subscribers up to 1,000. New regulations of YouTube. That's how long it's been since I've done a livey. So, yeah. Anyhow, as always, wear the mask. Let's keep dropping this COVID stuff down and get ahead of it. Stay safe. Stay healthy. As always, be good. Be kind. Team Beast. All the way. Now, I'll figure out how to turn these off as always. There it is. Bye.